Now, don't worry about the format of the date you see right here. The format is not hard-coded. What this date picker does is look into the machine and then render you your preferred formats. As you can see, if I change my time settings and then run the date picker, you will notice that the format on the footer display will also be changed accordingly. You might be wondering, is this date and time picker an English version only? What if I want this date picker to be displayed in my language? Can it do that? Yes, it can. Just watch and see. Let me change my original format to Italian. As you can see, the month, days, footer display, and even the month display are written in Italian. And this is the same as what you see in the Windows calendar. Let me pick a language that doesn't use alphabetic characters. I will pick Hindi, India. So, I expect to see my dates written like this. Let's find out. You see, just as I expected. And if I compare to the system calendar, it's more or less the same, except that mine shows an extra character on the days. Next, let's compare the months. As you can see, this looks the same. You can play around with this and check if your language will match. I'll have to admit I did not put much emphasis and testing on this one. However, I'm very much confident. Let's go to France and try French. The result when compared to the system calendar is also the same. Now, in case you are wondering why these months and days are all in small letters, please note that I also tried to be smart and converted these names to a proper case. By doing that, I messed up with the syllabary writing system for non-alphabetic languages. That's when I understood why Microsoft left it like this. So, because I'm building this date picker to be used by anyone, I will also have to leave this as it is for now. However, there is a simple way around this. If I find time, I will implement it. So, please let me know if you would prefer it this way or otherwise. So far, I think this is a very smart date picker. It does many things I will not have time to explain. The best way to define its capability is to say that it is designed to be a part of your workbook and does not seek to reinvent any wheel. Like the worksheets and other objects within the workbook, it feeds on the intelligence that already exists. And I teach about these things in the Date Picker series. So, if your original settings are set to point to your language, then you may get just that. If you want to learn Excel VBA with understanding, you can try it with me. I will do my best to guide you step by step and help you grasp VBA concepts with clarity. My courses are practical and have already benefited a lot of students both on Udemy and on site.